Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste. Greetings from Switzerland. I am Pranita Kamath, the founder of Natyachitra and the author of Listen, Read, Choreograph, a series of workbook on Bharatanatyam. In the past years, I have worked as a scientist and simultaneously as a Bharatanatyam artist. Many things, aspects are common to both. Science, specifically mathematics and calculations, is one among them. This workbook on Bharatanatyam emphasizes the concept in particular. Now, students of Bharatanatyam understand the calculations of jati as in when the choreography is being taught to them. The workbook gives or encourages the student to apply those lessons. By providing with a Bharatanatyam song, the student is encouraged to decipher the calculations of the jatis. And when the student is not as proficient, then the student can always refer back to the workbook itself. I have received my training in Bharatanatyam from many gurus. Guru Srimati Vandya Srinath is one among them and has played the most predominant and significant role in me understanding Bharatanatyam. In today's video, we have Vidushi Deepa Bhatt, who also procured a part of her training under my guru Vandya Srinath. In this video, I am honored to share with you the testimonial by Vidushi Deepa Bhatt about the workbook on Bharatanatyam. Namaste.
Vidushi Deepa Bhatt is a highly accomplished Bharatanatyam artist. She began her training under Guru Vandya Srinath and is now continuing under the tutelage of Guru Dr. Emma Krishnamurthy. She has accomplished Gandharva exams, Ravindra Bharati University exams and KSEEB exams and currently serves as an examiner for the same. She is a master's degree holder from Bharatidasan University with her dissertation titled Kannada Bhavagite and its adaptation to dance. Her dance ballets have been presented on prestigious platforms such as Alva's Nudisiri, Delhi Kannada Sangha, Tirupati and Shravana Belagula. She is the founder director of Nritya Kutira Bangalore and imparts the knowledge of dance to youngsters and art lovers.
Namaste. Myself, Guru Vidushi Deepa Bhatt, Artistic Director of Nritya Kutira. First of all, I want to congratulate both Pranita Kamath as well as Kusma A for this joint venture of Natyachitra, a unique concept to show the Kanaka formation or the solkattu of each item, which is very helpful for a artist. It might be an upcoming artist or established dancer also, but it always motivates a student to learn the item in a theoretical aspect. So when you know all these count and divisions for each line or each avartanam, it becomes easy for them to portray that dance steps in a better way. So when they know all these things, Kanaku and the countings and all, so they can easily choreograph by themselves. And they've even given a line of space to write their choreography. It might be in the stick figure or however they want. So always in Kalakshetra style, we always prefer all our students to write the items because that stays in our mind. And always, whenever we learn a new item or anything, we always write on that day itself. So, and the teacher will explain its Kanaku and the Solkattu and everything, and how it is divided. Because you know that Aditala has 32 counts. So, how 32 Akshara will come in that one line of choreography. So, all these things, when the students know, then it can make them understand and do the Kanaku or the steps properly when they are executing that. So in this way, I think Pranita Kamath and Kusma are doing a wonderful job in bringing this workbook for all the students. In this first workbook, they have given the description for Pushpanjali, as well as a small shloka about Ganesha. As you all know that Ganesha is the god of knowledge, and we always pray Ganesha before we do anything. So I hope the Baladi Ganesha, which is my favorite god, will always bless them in this new venture. So I hope to get more books, workbooks for each item like Alaripu, Jatiswara, Devanama, Kirtana, Varna, each and everything. So in their future workbooks. So they have given the lyrics of that and how it is given the Kanak of that, and as well as the explanation of Sahitya of the Shloka, as well as this whole thing is coming with a studio recorded, the master piece or master records of that item. Audio also is available with this pack. So I think all the students should buy this and get benefited, motivated to choreograph their own items. And I wish them very good luck or all the success for this project, and may it spread all over the world and all the students will get benefit from this book. Good luck to both of you.